Hi everyone, my name is Christy and oh my gosh, I am so excited about this video and about the packages that I have here to unbox. So I'm going to be doing a small YouTuber PR unboxing today. I have 4 different PR packages and I just love watching PR videos and I love making unboxing videos. So I figured I would unbox them here on camera for you. And this is just so cool and exciting to me that I get any free product at all, because if you saw my 2020 vision board video, which if not, I will have that linked in the description down below. I talked about how in 2019, one of my goals and aspirations that I put on my vision board was a picture of PR boxes and free makeup. And that was something that I really, really wanted to achieve in 2019. And I would say that I achieved that. I did get some really amazing free product. And then I was saying that going into 2020, I would love to continue that. So I put that on my vision board again for 2020. And I think I'm off to a really great start, because these products that I'm going to show you today, I actually don't know what's in them, but they are from brands that I absolutely love and that I'm so excited about. So let me just jump right into it. This right here, oh, it says it on the back. So cute. It says, "We are fluid." And you might remember this brand because I reviewed their liquid lipstick, which I will have my review video of that linked in the description down below as well. And I am obsessed with that liquid lipstick. It is so good. So I'm really thankful that the brand Fluid sent me some more products, because I am so excited to try more and I love what this brand stands for. So I'm going to start pulling out some products. So the brand Fluid, spelled like fluid with an E at the end, maybe more of like a French way of spelling it or saying it, is an inclusive brand, which I love. That just means so much to me. This card here is so cute. It says, "Make up the rules. Fluid is where we meet our irreverent, otherworldly selves. An irresistible future where radical inventiveness and queer kinship thrives. Add a little sparkle to your life with Fluid's high-impact, cruelty-free vegan makeup, created for all gender expressions, gender identities, and skin tones." Isn't that just the best? So let's see. Oh, a makeup bag that says, "Make up the rules." Some products in there. Look at how cute this was packaged. Ooh, oh, Fluid nail polish. Oh, and these colors are so pretty. This vibrant blue and this vibrant orange. I need to paint my toenails, so let me know in the comments down below which color you think I should use for my toenails. Both of these are so pretty. I mean, I could use both colors. But I think I actually got a Fluid nail polish before in an Ipsy bag as well. So that's really exciting. And then, oh my gosh, this is so generous. Look at all this. Oh my gosh, this is so generous. Okay, we've got universal gloss, another universal gloss. I'll show you the different colors. And then some biodegradable glitter. Ooh, okay. Let me show you the universal gloss. Ooh, the universal gloss says to apply to lips, eyes, or face for lightweight, buildable shimmer and highlights. I love that, and I love a versatile product. This is so beautiful. This is like a pink sparkle. This is called shade Roxy. I will definitely be doing full dedicated review videos on these products, but oh my gosh. And then this is the one, Elsiam. Definitely not pronouncing that right, but ooh, this is like a white glitter. And the shade Rain. Such nice packaging on these too. Ooh. So, like I said, I will do a full dedicated review, but I just have to go for a swatch. Beautiful, so sparkly. Oh, that is so glossy and beautiful and reflective. I can't wait to wear this all over my face. Oh, that's so pretty. It says makeup for him, her, them, everyone. And then I'm so intrigued by these biodegradable glitters. Dazzling, earth-friendly, biodegradable glitter. Ooh, they sent me a pink, oh, that's loose glitter, but they sent me a pink glitter. I'm gonna try and not spill out any more of that, but that's just like a beautiful, loose glitter, which is great too, because I love that it's biodegradable, so it can pretty much serve any of your glitter needs, like for wearing on your body, for, I'm sure, crafting, wearing on your face. So we got a pink one and a silver. If I open it, is it gonna? I don't think I should show you, but very pretty. From the pink that I got all over me, it's nice small glitter particles. Okay, and then in this really cute makeup bag, oh, it says, add a little sparkle to your life with 25% off your first order with the code HELLO25. So there you go, 25% off. I'll put the code in the description down below as well. But oh, these are lip products. We've got liquid lipsticks and lip glosses. Oh my gosh, look at all this. I feel so lucky. This is amazing. I'm so excited about their lip glosses. I know that I love their liquid lipsticks. So I got 3 shades of lip glosses. Ooh, a clear one called Wet. Ooh, a beautiful iridescent sparkle in the shade Spectrum. Ooh, and then another beautiful sparkle, which now I'm seeing they like reflect different shades, but this one's called Oasis. So those are the lip glosses. So pretty. Can't wait to do review videos on these. And oh my gosh, 8 liquid lipsticks. I am so excited. I can't believe this. I love the team over at Fluid. This is so nice. Beautiful. Halfway to Heaven. Oh, this looks so pretty. Okay, you know what? I am actually going to do a surprise giveaway because I didn't really plan on doing a giveaway, but seeing how many amazing products I have here, I want to share some of this so that you all can try out. Oh, that's so funny. As I was saying that I wanted to do a giveaway, I realized I got 2 of this of the same shade of liquid lipstick, this beautiful burgundy purple shade. I got 2 of those, so I'll definitely give away the second liquid lipstick of this shade. And so I'm not gonna swatch it or anything, but as we go through, I'll let you know other products I'm gonna put in the giveaway, and then I'll put other ones as well, because I'm sure I have some makeup that I don't need. But so to enter my giveaway, let me know in the comments down below, you know, after you watch this whole video, what products out of this unboxing you are most excited about and would most want to try. And if you could also follow me on Instagram, that would be extra great and give you a little bonus enter into the giveaway. My Instagram is @thelifeofchristina. So yay, very excited to do a giveaway. It's been a little while since I've done a giveaway on my channel. Oh my gosh, I'm like opening up these liquid lipsticks right now. And these colors are so beautiful and vibrant and bold. Like they are gorgeous, kind of, what are gemstones? Is that the term? I love a pop of red. This vibrant purple. I don't have any of those in my collection yet. And a gorgeous orange. So like I said, I did already try out the liquid lipstick in a dedicated review video, and it is amazing. Okay, so the shade that I'm giving away is called Halfway to Heaven, and let me do a little swatch. This is the one that I'm keeping for myself, but such an interesting shaped applicator. It's got like this curve to it. Ooh. Has a beautiful metallic finish. It smells so good. So here is the swatch, so pigmented, so fun and pretty. Yay, so thank you so much to Fluid. I am so thankful about all of those amazing products. I feel so lucky. Wow, okay. Next up, oh, this is from Alter Ego Beauty. Oh, a nice handwritten note, which is so sweet. Okay. Ooh, yes, these are their lipstick, matte liquid lipstick collection. Okay, I'm pretty sure I have some information in my email about this. Oh, okay, they gave me a 10% off your entire order discount code, which is Makeup Christy, one word. I will put that in the description down below as well, and a link to get to these liquid lipsticks. So it's $6 for one liquid lipstick, $28 for the collection, which is so awesome. I feel like there are liquid lipsticks where just the single liquid lipstick alone is $28, whereas with these, you get the entire collection for $28. And ooh, these are nice packaging. You see, this is huge. This is so beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh. And these, from the looks of them, are all beautiful nude shades. I got 6 of them. And so I will definitely give at least one of these away to the giveaway winner as well. So hopefully you like liquid lipsticks as much as I do if you are the winner. But I'm not going to do a full swatch of these yet because I'm going to do my full dedicated review video. But let me show you the colors. So pretty, and this packaging is amazing. So I think this looks like a really beautiful universal matte shade. This is called Jealousy. And so I'm going to set that aside for the giveaway. And while I'm here, let me go ahead and swatch. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one in the shade Infamous. Ooh, a nice doe foot applicator. Whoa. Oh my gosh, pigmented. That goes on like paint. Wow, that looks like a really nice formula. I can't believe $6 for this. This seriously seems like one lipstick alone would be $28. That's amazing. I love that. I like that this color is, it's like a deep kind of brick reddish brown shade that I don't have and I haven't really tried before, so really excited to see how that's going to look on me and take me out of my comfort zone. Thank you so much to Alter Ego. Wow, that is so generous, and those liquid lipsticks look amazing. I can't wait to try those out on my lips. Now the next product I'm going to show you is actually from Influenster, which is an app where you can review products and then look up products or businesses. Pretty much anything is on this app. And you can leave reviews or you can get reviews on products that you're considering. You can ask questions. So it's a really helpful website and app, and anyone can sign up for it. And you can just like leave reviews and you gain kind of like points maybe that then you build up this credibility with Influenster. And you can also attach your social media accounts, and they'll eventually ask if you want to be part of their campaign where they'll send you free product for you to review. So I've gotten a few different boxes, and I actually for some reason wasn't able to connect my YouTube to it anymore. So I don't even have a big following according to Influenster because I just attached like my Facebook and Instagram. But I'm still getting free product from these Vox boxes. So you don't have to be an influencer or anything like that to get free products. So I highly recommend signing up. I will put my referral link down below. I think anyone that has the app can get a referral link. So if you want to sign up. And so this is the Ever Pure Sulfate-Free Hair Care from L'Oreal Paris. Brass Toning Purple Hair Care. Oh, it's new. I was going to say, I feel like I've tried this before because I like to choose like hair products that are geared towards blonde and light hair. But this is for all blondes, highlighted brunettes, and silver hair. Brass Toning. So this is really, really exciting. I got full-size products. The Brass Toning Purple Shampoo and the Hibiscus and Purple Dye. Brass Toning Purple Conditioner. Well, I'm very excited to start using these. I really like L'Oreal Paris. I just got some Garnier hair products from Influenster not too long ago, so I'm feeling really stocked up on awesome hair products. So this is really exciting. And then the last PR box I am unboxing is from the brand Wander Beauty. I am so excited because I love Wander Beauty. You know, I've tried out so many different Wander Beauty products on my channel, and I can't even believe that I got some products sent to me from Wander Beauty because I love them so much. So this is like such an honor. It says, "You're wonderful." So cute. Oh, another handwritten note. This is so nice that these brands are being so personalized. This box is so cute. It says, "Gorgeous on the go." Oh, this is such a beautiful palette. This is the Wondrous Rush eyeshadow palette. And I actually have already done a review video on this palette, so I will have my review on that linked down below. It is such a beautiful palette. I love it, but since I already have it, I'm going to add this to the giveaway. I'm really excited about this giveaway. I think the winner is really going to love it. I also got the Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. Oh, I've heard good things about this, and I'm really excited to try this mascara. And what's this? Ooh, Fastlane Instant Facial. Ooh, an exfoliating mask. This sounds so nice. I love exfoliating. Oh, such beautiful packaging. Ooh, 10% AHA, 2% BHA. Those are really nice ingredients. My skin is going to love this. I know that Wander Beauty makes great skincare, and oh my gosh, especially these. I love these. These are the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I love these, and they sent me 3 of them, which is so nice. So I'll add some of these to the giveaway as well because these are amazing under eye masks. Wow, oh my gosh, this is so exciting for me. So there we have my PR unboxing as a small YouTuber. I can't even believe it that this is where I am. Like, this is 2 years ago I started my YouTube channel and my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series, and now I'm opening PR packages from some of my favorite brands. Like, this is amazing. I'm so excited to try out all of these products, and I am so excited to share some of these products with my giveaway winner. So don't forget to put in the comments down below what product out of all of these that you just saw you're most excited about or you would most want to try. And let me know a way to contact you. If you do follow me on Instagram, which I would love, I can DM you on Instagram. Just let me know whatever's easier. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because I try out a new makeup product every day at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is when that video goes up. So I will see you tomorrow in my next video.